The first two columns in all simplified loader templates are load status and error message. These columns display whether an operation performed by the user was successful or not. In the case of an error, the error message gets displayed to the user. In this demo, I entered the details of 5 invoices. 2 out of these 5 invoices have incorrect data input. For invoice, load space status space SL02, the header invoice date is wrong. For invoice, load space status space SL04, the value for the header supplier is missing. I will now upload all 5 invoices. Notice that the 2 invoices failed to load. The error message on load space status space SL02. There is an error related to date. In the same way, review the error message on load space status space SL04. It says that the header supplier attribute is missing. For invoice, load space status space SL02, I will correct the date. For invoice, load space status space SL04, I will fill the input and re-upload the both invoices.